Hey, what's going on, guys? This video is going to be the third segment of fixing the convertible top. This is the 06 or similar type of Mustang that you guys might have, but this is the 06 Ford Mustang GT. And I have a complete video about how to remove the back seat there, which is actually just propped up. The back seat is out of the car. And right here is our convertible motor and cylinder with our fluid in there. I have one video showing you how to replace the fluid on the cylinder for step one. Second video is a relay up front in the fuse box if you need to replace that. We were able to actually get this at a used pick-apart location, but if possible, if Amazon sells it, I will link it in the description box below the video. But it's real simple how to uninstall this and put in the new one. You have two bolts here, right there and right there. And that's going to be a 10 millimeter right there. I just used a wrench for that. Those are the bolts right there. And then all you're going to do is you're literally just going to pry it up off of the little bolt here. And here, you're just literally going to lift up, bring it back. And then you do need to take, I'll try to get a proper size on here, but you do need to unloosen this, and the one back there as well. And then you're going to re-tighten those back on to the cylinder you put in. I'll get you some correct info in just a second here. All right, guys, so again, it just lifts off of those little bolts there and right there. Very simple. Just lift it up, pull it back. And I actually used this one here. It's actually a 13 mil you want to get on there. But again, I just use this. Hold it with your left hand. And then, of course, you know, lefty-loosey there. So again, 1, 2 down here. And then the third one right there. Put in the new one or the pre-owned one, and then tighten those back down. All right, the old one is out, and actually if your new one did not come with the black tube right here, that will be in number 4 that you need to remove there, and then put your old ones back in. So save those, make sure you don't cut those, because if your unit did not come with your tubes, then you will need that as well right there. So the one that we bought actually has that tube still on it, so I'm actually going to use the tube of the new one. And so we'll just go ahead and screw back in 1, 2, and 3 right there. This one is a different size than this one. This one should be a 13 mil as with that one. This one is, I believe, a 11 mil. I just used this on all 3 of those. Real simple. Now we're going to grab the new unit, and of course, right up here, push it in and pull out. The harness right here will remove, and then the whole unit will again be able to pull out there. So let's grab the new unit, put it on in, screw back in our hoses and all that stuff. And you will probably on the new unit, if you do get some dripping, you might have to pull the plug, put some more hydraulic oil in or Dex Merch oil in. Guys, we will be filling it back up. This is the replacement model. Again, there is a fill cap right there on the side. My other video states this very, very clearly. If you want to go watch that one, here is the fill cap plug right there. We're going to use a turkey baster with Dex Merch oil right here. We're going to suck it up and then just literally with the turkey baster, stick it in that hole, start squirting into that hole until it starts running out. And then as it's flowing out consistently, we're going to go ahead and plug it in real quick. You never know how low, especially if you bought this pre-owned. This is, again, an 06 off an 06 car. So you never know how low that reservoir is right there. So we're going to go ahead and fill that up. And I have all my wiring hooked up again. Boom, 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 boom. We're looking good. Put the harness wiring back in here. We're all ready to go.